Happy New Year, my loves! I hope everyone is doing well. Anybody put like a New Year's resolution out there? If you did, let me know what you're going to do in this new year. This is going to be my look for New Year's. And, well, this is the beginning, okay? We're going to do an eye look. That's what this video is about. And I'm going to use probably one or both of these palettes here. And I have a contest going on. I'm so very excited. It's with a collaboration with different channels, and we'll be doing a giveaway. And they're all going to be doing, their New Year's looks, okay? And you guys, we need the judges. We need judges. Now, I wanted to do a look too to participate, but only participating in the fact of doing a look. I'm not actually going to be in the contest. You cannot vote for me. Although I would love it. But no, I'm the one doing the giveaway. And these are new channels. These are wonderful people. And I'm going to introduce them. And you're going to be excited. And it's just going to be awesome. And I'm going to need your help. You're going to have to help me. And there's going to be a subscriber giveaway. And a creator giveaway. So now let's see. Look at these palettes. Oh, look at that. Do I want to do something from this palette? Something a little smoky. Let's do a smoky eye. What do you guys think? I think we're going to go in with D5 on my eyes. And we're going to put that baby right here. We ain't playing around. No, ladies. We're going to do a really nice look. So I'm not even using a transition shade. I am just going to pretty much wing it. I know the look that I want to do in my head. So we're just going to go ahead and go through with it. Why not? All right. Let me pack in some more of this black to pat the eyeshadow in place as opposed to rubbing. You do know that what you blend extends, so keep that in mind when you're doing these looks. The same color, D5, on a, no, this isn't a Sigma, it's a Morphe M165. I have a glare, and it's the time of day and the way my lights are set up, and I'm so sorry about that. We are going to put this black tightly on my lower lash line. Oh, yes. Yes. Can you guys guess what kind of color I'm going to use next? Can you? You'll probably already know since I'll be making a thumbnail for this. All right. Let's get this down and get some... All of my brushes are now dirty. So I'm like scraping for brushes now. Going through all of my bags. Do I have any left over? Because I have not washed them. All right. I really just want to kind of smoke this out a little bit. Blend the colors together. So this way we have them all the same darkness. I don't want the black to be light in one area and not in the other. I want it all to be, black. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is take the Kat Von D pencil, and they call it the cake pencil, and I'm going to go ahead and darken right on my lash line right here. Just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put a little bit, almost like I'm doing a wing up here. And I'm in a minute going to show you why. Where's my blending brush? Okay. We're going to pat that in there because I really want that part to be very, very dark. I need like a flat brush. It's the flat angled. It'll have to do. Oh, I can use, no, I can use this one too. I'm going to use some setting spray on this. And I'm going to take it and dip the sides of this brush to where it's coated right there on the side like that. and I'm going to intensify this color here. So we really get a nice black over here. It's going to make such a huge difference. Let me do some more setting spray. So far. So the outer corners are darker. I still have to do some blending, but I do want to cut my crease. So I'm going to grab the only real brushes I have left. And what concealer do I have? Do I even have? Oh, you know what? Let's just use the MAC paint pot to cut the crease. I've never done that before. I've always used a concealer. But why not? You should, I can't see why this wouldn't work. Let's get that in there. Okay. Let me blend this a little bit better. And then I will be able to put a nice color in there, which I still have no idea which one I'm going to do. Do you guys wing your looks? Do you wing them? Or do you have to follow a certain pattern or a certain YouTuber? Let me know. I want a stiffy. Get your mind out of the gutter. I meant a brush that is really stiff. That is exactly what I need. And I want to use, now let's see if this is going to come out right. Some white first. Yes. Right over that MAC paint pot or your concealer, whichever you want to use. And look. Whew. Perfect. Oh, yeah. So I'm going to give this a few seconds to dry into place because that MAC paint pot is creamy. And then we are going to go on with blending. Woof. Now going into the second Norvina palette. If you guys have not entered that giveaway, you need to do it. It's my 2,500 appreciation subscriber appreciation giveaway video. That one. Okay. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to use, oh, this is going to look badass. All right. C1. We're going to go with C1. Yeah. Ooh. And we are going to put it right in the middle of the lid here. Oh yeah, definitely. Get some shimmer in there, ladies. Right. Girls gotta glow. All right, so now let's add just a little bit of a color, like a color. D1, same palette right here. Okay, thank you. Oh yeah, we need some setting spray just to make that baby pop. Or see, I'm gonna mix E2 and D1 because I just feel like it. I feel like we have a winner if we do that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. I am liking it. Whew. Right. So I'm going to take Luna from the Glow Kit Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm just going to put, yeah, I'm out of brushes. Can you see, guys? So very gently highlighting the brow bone here. Clean your brushes, Karen. It's a new year. Okay, so we got that. We are definitely not going to do an inner corner highlight because it's so bright in there. It would mess things up. So we're going to leave that like that. And I'm going to put on some eyeliner. And we're going to go in with the roller, whatever it is. Roller liner, I don't know. And very close to the lash line. Get this in here. nice, thin layer. Okay, we got that in there. So now I'm probably going to add some glitter, but first, wait a minute. Tati Beauty. Yeah, the go-to for glitter. It's definitely the go-to for glitter. Okay, if you don't want to, use the glitter glue and all that other stuff. All right, we're going to use my finger. And we're going to go into the memory glitter. Look at that. And put some right over this here. Oh, yeah. Nice and dark on the outer corner. Nice and light on the inner. All right, it's time for mascara and some lashes, because once you put on the glitter, we don't want it to fall down into our face like it's already starting to do. And believe it or not, it really, really helps when you put a coat of mascara there. So let me do that. I have not done the lashes yet. I'm just letting my mascara dry, and we're going to go in with poinsettia. Sorry for the long silence. I have to do a second coat, and I want this to dry first, so this way I don't accidentally make an oopsie left on the applicator. Is what I'm going to put on the edges. Nice little tip. You're less likely to mess up if you don't have a whole lot of product on here. And look at that. Whew. Sorry for the long pauses, but look, perfect red lip. Okay, let me do the lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, loves, I'm back. I got on some leggings, a new shirt that I love, and a new necklace that has an angel on it. Gonna guard me for 2020. I'm expecting big things. Okay, so now that my lipstick is dry, let's try a little topper on it. Oh yeah. Morphe lip toppers. They go really well over Jeffree Star's liquid lips. Oh yeah. Now, ladies, what is the last thing that I want to do? All right. Let me see. Where is my little... Sorry, I'm not like avoiding you. All right, let me see. Let's grab some setting spray and put it on my highlighting brush. Take a little more of Luna and... Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Ha-ha! Okay. Yeah. See what setting spray does? Wow. Sorry, I'm like... Okay. Yeah, Okay, we're good there. Karen was speechless. It's been a while since I've done that. I'm really wishing I had Jeffree Star's Peppermint Frost, but I don't. But guess what? It's okay because I'm still beaming. All right, put some of this other stuff away. I have so enjoyed doing this tutorial. I wanted my Where is my brush? I need one of my, yeah. Okay. Melt in, baby. Melt in. Oh my goodness. Okay. Woohoo. So, what do you guys think? This is I'm hanging around the house, but may have a few people pop by, and you just want to bring in the new year with a bang. I have so enjoyed making this video. Guys, now that you've seen my look, and remind you, I am not a part of this contest. I'm sorry, but I have to keep looking at the highlight. I'm like, hello. So yeah, get on over there and watch that video. Discover what the rules are, the giveaways are, and then judge away. Bye, guys. Mwah! Happy New Year. Wishing you so much success, health, happiness, and everything else good. Bye.
Only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.